Today we are going to discuss Boolean algebra. In 1854, George Boole introduced Boolean algebra. Later on, with some modifications, in 1938, C. E. Shannon introduced switching theory. Boolean algebra is a mathematical logic which differs from ordinary algebra and binary system. The two Boolean values used in Boolean algebra are 1 and 0. The same is used in binary system also, but the operation which differs in Boolean algebra, 1 plus 1 is equals to 1, whereas in binary 1 plus 1 is equals to 1, 0. So, in Boolean algebra, both high is equals to high and 1 plus 1 is equals to 1, 0 in binary. The symbols used in Boolean algebra are 1 and 0, and they are denoted with high. 1 is high value or true, and 0 is low, and 1 is true means 0 is false, and this is yes, this is no. 1 is treated as on, this is off. And if we deal with the voltages, this is high voltage and this is low voltage, and this is true, this is false, this is yes, this is no, this is on, this is off. So 1 is treated as this and 0 is treated as this. The symbol which represents an arbitrary element of a Boolean algebra is known as variable. It is not only called as a variable, it can be called as a element, argument, anything we can say. The variable can hold any value, either 1 or 0, or a function which consists of group of variable y is equals to a plus b plus c can hold any of the variable 1 or 0. The complement of the variable is represented by bar. For example, complement of variable a is denoted as a bar, or it can be represented with the prime symbol a dash. If a is equals to 1, then a bar is equals to 0. If a is equals to 0, then a bar is equals to 1. So, it can be denoted with a bar or a dash. Logical AND operator between the two variables is denoted as a dot b, or simply can be written as a b, which does the multiplication operation. And with the three variables, it can be denoted as a dot b dot c or a b c. That is, a dot b is nothing but a and b. Similarly, a and b and c. So simply we can write as a dot b dot c, which means the same as multiplication operation. These variables can have any of the values, either 1 or 0. Logical OR operation does the addition operation between the two variables. It can be denoted as a plus b or a or b. Similarly, with the three variables a plus b plus c or a or b or c. This logical OR is used for addition operation between the variables. There are some basic rules in Boolean algebra. They are: first one, a plus 0 is equals to a. If a is 0 means a plus 0 is equals to a, that is a is 0 only. And if a is equals to 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, that is nothing but a only. Second one, a plus a is equals to a, and a plus a bar is equals to 1. This is third one. So if a is equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, or if a is equals to 1, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. If a dot a is equals to a, that is a and a is equals to a. If a dot a bar is equals to 0, that is if a is equals, this is fifth one, if a is equals to 0, 0 into 1 is equals to 0, and if a is equals to 1, 1 into 0 is equals to 0 only. Similarly, sixth one, a into 1 is equals to a, and a dot 0 is equals to 0. We know complement of a variable is denoted as a bar. If a is equals to 0, a bar is equals to 1. That is, and we are complementing it again, a bar bar. That is 1 bar is equals to 0. What I am going to say here is double complement of a variable gives the value itself. A double complement is nothing but a. If a is equals to 1, a double complement is nothing but 1. Eighth one, a plus b is equals to b plus a. This is nothing but commutative law. A into b plus c can be written as a into b plus a into c. It is distributive law. A plus b c is written as a plus b a plus c. These two are the distributive laws.